Now let's take a look at the results. At the end of this test, it was clear that the white LED produced larger plants. Although the lettuce under the white light appeared slightly elongated, it did not disappoint with the weigh-in, which I will talk about soon. The minor elongation of the leaves was simply due to the white LED being 3000K instead of 4000K or higher. I preferred this color temperature to be fair with the amount of red light that both lights produced. However, this does not mean that using a 4 or 5000K white LED would produce any less plant mass. The first thing I looked at was leaf tip burn. Both sets of plants showed minor leaf tip burn, but throughout the test the plants under the red-blue light had just slightly more, but not enough to be of concern. Looking at the roots, all the plants were showing healthy growth, but the roots of the plants under the red-blue light were slightly smaller in mass. The next thing I noticed was that the plants under the red-blue light, compared to the plants under the white light, had a slightly darker color of green. This appears to be, in my opinion, a healthier production of chlorophyll in the leaves, but there is likely a better scientific answer to that, so please leave a comment if you feel differently. Now getting to the most important piece of information, the weight. I weighed each plant to take an average and a total. The average weight of the plants under the white light was 118 grams with a total of 473 grams. The red-blue light produced an average of 86 grams per plant with a total of 347 grams. So the white LED produced roughly 37% more plant mass than the plants under the red-blue light. Now for those of you out there wondering if they tasted any different, yes they did. I can't really say what a normal taste would be, but I can say that the plants under the red-blue light tasted slightly bitter compared to the rest. Even parts that were more pale in color still had that slightly bitter taste. So now as I conclude this video, I will leave you with this. There are pros and cons to using a tuned spectrum light such as the red-blue light in this video. This does not conclude that a tuned spectrum light is good or bad. Different plants and different growth phases play a large role in how a light is tuned.